Hey everyone, how are you? Hope you're doing well. So do me a favor before we get started, hit that like button. And if you are not a subscriber, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you will not miss an episode. So today we're going to talk about Tesla. What is going on with Tesla? So if you're in the stock market, you notice that Tesla is going down. So I'm going to tell you why. Why is Tesla plummeting? So it has gone down by 10% thus far, and they do anticipate that it's going to go down as much as 80% by the time it's all over. So, what's the reason? What's going on with Tesla? What is going on with Tesla? So, as far as Tesla is concerned, um, I'll tell you what's going on. So, Tesla, they have been having price cuts for their cars. So, they cut the price 6 times this year in order to get people to go buy a Tesla. So, did you go buy one? The goal was to cut the prices to increase demand. So, I have not seen any commercials for Tesla where they are telling people that they're cutting the prices. Did you? Did you see any notification that they're cutting their prices? Anybody out there? Leave it in the comment. Did you see any notification that Tesla is cutting their prices? So, I don't think that information got out into the public unless you noticed it and I didn't see it. So they cut their prices 6 times this year. So the goal was to increase the demand so people will go buy the cars. Um, Unfortunately, they didn't see that much of an increase in demand. Another factor is the interest rates. So the Feds, they kept hiking the interest rates, as you know. So this made the cars less affordable. So this is not the period in time where people are thinking about going to buy a new car. And they relate that to the high interest rates and the fact that it's not really affordable, not really a good time to be out here buying a car. So Tesla, they got their earnings report back. In the earnings report, it came back disappointing. Like I said before, they do anticipate that the stock could drop 80% more to around $28. That's what they are anticipating. So besides the fact that they have cut the prices for the car, the other factor is the interest rate hikes. They do have competition. So they have other car companies that are trying to compete with Tesla, and they are building electric vehicle cars. So to name a few is Volkswagen. They are coming out with their electric vehicles. Toyota is coming out with their electric vehicles. So there is competition in the EV space. So that is another factor. All right. So in order for Tesla to increase their share price, the goal is to sell 30 million electric vehicles by the year 2031. The goal is to sell 30 million electric vehicles by the year 2031. And so last year, they sold 10.6 million. So that sounds like a high number to me. Last year, they sold 10.6 million. The goal is 30 million by 2031. So what Elon Musk is doing is he is sacrificing margins for long-term demand. And then they do expect even though the stock is plummeting right now, and they anticipate that it will go down 80% more, they do anticipate that with his strategy of sacrificing margins now for long-term demand, they do anticipate that there will be a long-term upside. So that what is happening right now is temporary, right? So this news is good for traders who know how to put in put options, right? Stock is going down. If you see the charts, you see red, and you see this is what you see. All right. But as far as long term, they do expect um, a long term upside. This is just a strategy that he is choosing. So that is what is going on with Tesla. Again, we got the price cuts. They cut the price 6 times this year. Did anybody notice? The interest rates making people not interested in buying a car right now. Um, the disappointing earnings that came back. And then they have competition. They're not the only company building electric vehicles. All right. So all of these factors impact what is going on with this Tesla stock. Again, they do anticipate that this is just temporary and that there will be a long term upside to this. All right. So that is what is going on with Tesla, Tesla stock. Things to keep in consideration, especially if you are a trader. Traders are short term. They want to know what is going on right now in short term. If you are a investor, then you want to know what's going on long term. And again, like I said before, they do expect a long term upside. All right. So if you are not in the stock market and you are interested in learning how to invest, you can check out the link below. I will show you how to invest. Right. So any questions that you have, I can help clear up any confusion or any questions that you have as it relates to the stock market. And if you have not started investing, it's a great time to get in and start investing. And you know it's a difference between investing and trading. So investing is long term, right? You're doing this long term. So investing is good if you just want to set it and forget it and then go enjoy your life. So there is a way you can do that when it comes to investing. On the other hand, if you're interested in what's going on in the world, what's going on in the media, if you have an inquisitive mind and you want to know why this is happening, or why is this stock high today? Why is it low today? If you are have more of a trader mentality, then trading is short term. So there's some people that do the trading only. Some people do the investing only. They just want to set it and forget it and go enjoy their life. And then some people do both investing and trading. So what I do is I show you how to invest. So if you're interested in investing, getting started, then you can check out the link below and get started investing. All right. Thank you for watching and have a good rest of your nights. Do me a favor before you leave. I need for you to hit that like button. And if you're not a subscriber, I need for you to do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you will not miss an episode. Also, go ahead and share this channel with anyone you know who is interested in building wealth. All right. Thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your nights. Bye for now.